Hi friends, Dr. Lisa here, cancer physical therapist, and today I am doing a review on the Sleep Again pillow system. Now this pillow system was recommended to me by a patient as it impacted her recovery from mastectomy procedure. So anytime a patient tells me about something that helped them on their breast cancer recovery journey, I want to know about it so that I can share it with you. So I reached out to the developers of this sleep system, and this really came about from a very personal journey of their own mastectomy procedure. And as you may or may not know, this surgery requires you to sleep on your back for a period of time. So this breast surgery, also reconstructive surgery like a DIEP flap or a TRAM flap, require you to sleep on your back for several weeks, sometimes up to 6 weeks as part of your recovery to allow for optimal healing of tissues and put you in the best position. So I'm analyzing this not just from a comfort idea, but from a physical therapy idea. How does this put your tissues either in support, on less stress, and help you with your healing process? And it really does a very good job of that. So what does it come with? Well, it comes with 2 of these side pillows. They have some non-skid on the bottom. It comes with a small neck pillow, which you can use. I found it very comfortable, but you can also use your own pillow. Either way is just fine. And it comes with 2 wedges. And these wedges are very nice. They're really just the perfect height that you can use them alone, or you can double them up. And you can have 2 wedges up at the head if you need a little bit more support. It just all depends on your specific anatomy and procedure. And the wedge is extra wide, which is also a very nice feature. It gives us a little bit more territory to find that sweet spot or position of comfort. Your leg isn't going to fall off in the middle of the night. So that wider wedge is really nice. It has a custom fitted sheet. So the whole setup gets wrapped up in this custom fitted sheet, keeps it nice and snug and in place when you're using it. This is 100% cotton. It's very nice feel to it, very soft, very nice quality. And then you can also get a carrying bag or carrying case for it. So if you need to travel or be somewhere where you're sleeping differently, you can put it all together in one bag and take it with you. The 2 side pillows are designed to be together, so touching at the bottom and touching at the top. And then there should be a space here between the top wedge and the bottom wedge. You can choose to not have a wedge on the bottom. You could only have 1 wedge at the top, or you can take this wedge and double it up and have extra lift at your head. It's what is the best position for you. The wedge under the knees is really valuable and really helpful, especially if you've had reconstruction where you had some abdominal surgery. So this could be a DIEP flap or a TRAM flap. Could be the plastic surgery procedure, which is like a mommy makeover, where there's a large abdominal incision, really any other abdominal surgery. Having the knees elevated is going to put these tissues in a more relaxed position and help them to heal better. So this wedge is really important for the reconstructive side of things. I like to have the setup close to the edge of the bed. I think it's easier to get into. There's a little cutout right here, and that's where your spine is supposed to sit. But our body is going to be right on top of the pillows so that we're just supported by that pillow system. If you purchase this, I would definitely recommend you get it way prior to your surgery so that you can take it out of the box, get it set up, get your fitted sheet on it, practice getting in and out prior to your surgery so that when you come home, maybe you're on some medication, you're a little uncomfortable, this is familiar, it's easy, and you already know how to do it. You might need a little assistance the first time or two, but it's actually pretty easy, and I think that you'll be able to get in and out on your own very quickly. So I scoot up, but first I'm having my arms up close to kind of protect my chest because you're not going to be able to push off on your arms for a while either. You're going to swing those legs up, scoot the hips in, Legs are supported on the pillows. Arms are supported on the pillows. Spine fits just nice in that little space in between where the pillows don't meet. And it's a very comfortable and supported position. So this bottom wedge is elevating my knees, which takes pressure off the abdomen. The top wedge is elevating my trunk, just going to help with swelling and drainage and recovery. And then being supported like this and being very nestled in, if you're a person, if you're like me, that when you're asleep, you'll have a tendency to roll onto your side while you're sleeping. This is really going to prevent that from happening. I really can't roll onto my side in this position. So that's going to help protect you and optimize your recovery. So to get out, we'll just swing those legs out and come up to sitting. So very nicely designed, some nice flexibility and variability in the system to find a position that's most comfortable for you. Nice that it has two of the wedges, so we have the ability to protect both the lower body and the upper body. This could be really supportive even after a shoulder surgery or a back surgery. But ideally, the point is that you want to be able to sleep as well as possible, because sleep really helps you recover faster and heal better. So optimizing your sleep is an excellent idea. And I think that this pillow system does a really good job of supporting someone after breast surgery, like a mastectomy or a reconstructive procedure, like a DIEP flap reconstruction. So I think this was well made and well designed and fits the idea of getting in a good, safe position after surgery. The makers of this pillow system have included a generous discount code below. If you're interested in purchasing it, click the link. And I do get a small fee if you use that link. It doesn't cost you any more, but it helps me to continue to produce more free content for you. If you've used this, if you've ordered it or you do order it, please leave a comment below about how your experience went. And I know that the developers of this would really appreciate your feedback as well. Now, if you like this information and you want me to continue to do more, please hit that like button, the subscribe button. And if you think anyone else would benefit from this, please share it with them. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you.